Once upon a time, there was a young entrepreneurial knight who was destined to become king. The only thing that stood in his way were the 7 dragons of the online world that had devoured so many of the brave warriors before him. His name was Sir William. Sir William had already proven successful in his career and brick-and-mortar business, but the online world was a dark and mysterious place ruled by 7 fiery dragons. Sir William was brave and determined to slay these crafty winged serpents to take his rightful place on the throne. Have you ever had a nagging feeling in your gut that you were meant to do something more with your life? You know, that feeling of discontent that keeps you lying awake at night. You know you're smart enough and willing to put in the work, but you're also not sure if you can pull it off. You ask yourself, where would I even start? I'm not sure I even have the skills. What if I fail? What will my friends think? Will my family be supportive? There are so many what ifs. I felt the same way back in February 1998, 1 month before my first child was born. I knew that if I was ever going to be able to follow my dreams and create the life I had envisioned for my family, I had to make my move. It was now or never. I wanted more money, more meaning, and more freedom in my life. However, no matter what I tried, my career path limited me on all fronts. I was attacked by fear and self-doubt. If I'm honest, the idea of throwing caution to the wind to start my own business had scared me to death. I'll never forget the day I mustered up the courage to walk into my boss's office and quit. It was a defining moment in my life where fear and freedom collided. Like Tony Robbins says, if you want to take the island, burn the boats. And that's exactly what I did. I gave myself no way of escape. This brilliant boat-burning quote goes back to Julius Caesar, the Roman emperor who set out to conquer England 2,000 years ago by boat. When the soldiers landed on shore, he commanded them to burn the boats. From the moment he set the boats on fire, everyone knew that there was only one outcome: to take the island or die trying. Thankfully, I can report that I burned every boat in the harbour that day, and all these years later, I can proudly say I took the island. Now I train aspiring entrepreneurial warriors to do the same. My passion and calling in life is to help entrepreneurs navigate the treacherous waters of the online world so that they too can create the life they want, need, and deserve. Once the decision to take the island has been made, the first challenge is to slay the white dragon that can kill your dreams before you ever reach shore. This book was written to lead you quickly and safely to victory. Due to the book's length, I can't share the entire battle plan. We'll save that for a very special meeting with the king's scribe and blacksmith in the near future. To my brave warrior, my hope is that you will seize the day and begin your quest to create more money, meaning, and freedom in your life. Will it be easy? Absolutely not. Only those with the true heart of a warrior will prevail. However, for those who plan to win, prepare to win, and expect to win, the sweet taste of victory will be yours. Let's slay some dragons.